Today we're gonna make cheese curd stuffed hamburgers and
French
homemade
fries.
Some French fries.
So let's start out by slicing them vertically and do
Making the fries right now.
4 slices.
4 slices each would be fine. Grab a knife. Let's get the worst selection of knives.
That's fine.
The white one.
Try to find a knife.
I don't have any.
Alright, well, Zach, let's start making the hamburger.
Okay.
What you do is you take a good chunk of hamburger, you make it into a ball.
Make it bigger around than that.
I was going to put 2 halves together.
I know, but I'd make it bigger around.
Alright.
It'd be hard to fit a lot in there.
And this is going to be the 1/2 of it. 2 cheese curds.
And add 2 cheese curds.
2 cheese curds in there.
Then add 2 more.
2 more.
Yeah.
Alright,
Okay,
we're going to
4
go
cheese curds.
4 cheese curds. So these are going to be really cheesy. Then you take your other half of your cheeseburger. You make a flat ball kind of like that. You set it on top. Mash the 2 together so that the cheese is on the inside. And that's 1 burger. Repeat the process until you have 3 burgers at least.
It's still frozen on the inside. It's fine.
Forgot to wash your hands. Now we're just adding 4 cheese curds again. Break them up. Try to center your cheese curds so that way you don't have cheese spewing out the sides when you cook them. And we're just using Ellsworth cheese curds, cheddar cheese curds. They're nice and cheesy. Here's some more. But these are garlic flavored.
Make one with those.
What?
Make one with those. Fine.
They're awesome. Show what you're doing.
Once you slice potatoes, put them into a colander.
So this is one of them with the garlic cheese in the middle. Adds a little bit of flavor. And mash it together, make sure it's covered on the outside edge. Grab another plate. There's 3 of them.
Might as well take one. I'll eat it or something.
It's on the right side. Red button. Alright, so now that we got our burgers here made like this, with the cheese in the middle, we're going to use Rachel's Ray's, her burger seasoning. So what you do is you just tip it upside down and you just twist it to your desired amount. Apparently these are going to be nice. Like that. Yeah, mash it in there. Flip it over. Do it to the other side. That way the seasoning is all the way around. There's cheese. Ben got our fries all done up here now.
So now we got our fries sliced in a colander here, and just gonna set over a bowl. And we have 1 stick of butter melted. I'm just gonna pour it over the fries evenly.
Just put it in the butter in the microwave for
45 seconds.
45 seconds. Get it nice and melted.
And take some vegetable oil and pour it over as well. And it's a little messy, but yeah. Move it around, get them all covered evenly. Try to fold in with your hand. Finish off the rest of the butter. So much.
You can choose to use less butter, but we like them greasy.
I'm all evenly covered. Take some sea salt from a natural source. And sprinkle it over all the fries. Okay, and now we're gonna take a little bit of vegetable oil, put it on the pan. And spread it around evenly. Take the fries and place them on the pan. Try to make it all in one layer as best you can.
That way they cook evenly. Really, let's just talk everything up. God.
Alright. We have our oven preheated to 400 degrees. Place it on the center rack for 20 to 30 minutes until they're golden brown.
And then while we're waiting for those the fries to get done, I'll take the burgers over here. I'm gonna rinse my hands because I just got done myself with fries. Add some butter. First.
Take a little bit of extra leftovers from the fries in the bottom of the bowl.
Ooh. Got a little bit of butter, oil, and the sea salt in there, so it should do up nice. Spread it around nice and even. Here's your spatula.
And place your burgers on the pan. You got the stove top set to a medium heat.
Now since these burgers are so thick, I mean, you gotta cook them pretty often and let them cook thoroughly best you can. Try to make sure the inside's done. But as they cook, the cheese melts, which is, a lot of restaurants call it the Juicy Lucy, but we just, you know, call it burgers with cheese in the middle. What?
Now the burgers are nice and brown and cooked all the way through. We remove them from the pan. And put them in the bun.
Alright, Ben, can I borrow your spatula? Put them in your bun. If you really like cheese, I suppose you could put a slice of cheese on top, but there's plenty of cheese in these, so you just top them with some ketchup.
Don't put ketchup on mine.
Or barbecue sauce.
Or mustard or cheese or whatever you want.
What do you like?
Which one is that one's mine? That one's yours. I like a little bit of both.
Put barbecue sauce on mine.
You want barbecue sauce? How are they?
Good.
And there you go. Ready to eat.
Give it a try. Just pulled the fries out of the oven, give them a little flip. And we'll place them back in the oven.
For how long?
Really golden brown.
Alright, so Ben is opening the oven, checking on the potatoes, and they seem to be done. So we're going to pull them out and see how they taste.
Make sure you shut off your oven.
Don't those look good?
They look warm.
They look like potato wedges.
Yep. It's good.
Really hot.
Tasty.
Pretty good. It's crunchy.